Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How you doing? What you guys Googled today was commercial roofing. Okay, so you Googled either flat roof, EPDM, metal, TPO. Whatever it is that you're looking for, our company can do that for you. We are Pro Roofing KC. We do roofing, painting, gutters, siding. Our phone number is here. A little bit about us. We do insurance claims. Our services, we do commercial roofing, residential, siding, gutters, painting, high-end repairs. We'll do a courtesy inspection for you. So if you thought you had something going on with some hail damage, you can give us a call. We'll come out and take a look at it. We'll help you get financed. If you didn't have insurance work, we'll actually help get you financed so we can get a roof on there for you. You can contact us. You can put your information in there and kind of get a hold of us. Here is our Facebook page, Pro Builders of KC LLC. Okay. Here's the team. There's the group. These are a lot of things that we do here. We did a big hotel right over there in North Kansas City. Well, actually, that's, up by the airport. So you can kind of see that. So we can do that for you. But here is what some of those roofs may look like. You got your metal roofs, you got the TPO, you got your steel roofs, your EPDM, you got your flat roof, modified bit, membrane. So we can do all that type of stuff for you. These are just some pictures. If you see what your roof looks like over there, then you can feel free to give us a call. We'll do free inspections for you. And this is our phone number here. And if you're interested, then don't hesitate to give us a call, and we'll come out and get that done for you. And what you guys Googled today was commercial roofers. Thanks for checking with us. Underneath this video will be a link where you can get a hold of us, put your information in, and then we'll come out and do a free inspection for you. And once again, thank you for Googling us, commercial roofing in Kansas City.